Dear nation people, see it ya, hear me man, you know what the 10 star one I represent, you know each and every time I represent, you know it's a Gaza way, there ain't no other way. No gimmicks thing that around it, you know. You know last night it was the Unruly Boss album launch, right? In Jamaica. And the Unruly Boss make the people them know say, you know, before anything, you know, you have to big up Vybz Kartel because that's how the greatness start. No gimmicks, no in my game, no lollipop thing, no dead around it. Or the world, it's not a plan. You know what you are going right about now, you know? Yo, a franchise, the choosing one, the 10-star general. You know it go already when we come to represent nation people. A loud explosion when we aim up, crank up, drop necessary equipment and sound the big thing them. Oh you mean? What am I talking about? So right about now, you know, the Great Z album launch over right about now. And you know, it probably take part in some different country or island to probably get the full details right about now. We have to check out Unruly Tash and Unruly Bruce. That's what I said. They were filling in with the latest. But for right now, the song them where the Unruly Boss drop off for the album, the song them a chart, the song them a stream. The song them are do wonderful so far. So you know say the album it now go easy. You see what I say? Yeah, you know the album and no gimmicks thing. So you know say the pre-order out so you can go in and go pre-order. Nation people. You see right now Thursday we are going to have a party over I Am Coffee Tea channel. You see what I say? So make sure you subscribe and tune in. Because a party I go on over there because you don't know say the ants them I go buy the album and not only buy the album, them I go show them receipt so a straight partying for the whole day over I Am Coffee Tea channel. Here's what I say for the album release. You don't know how we deal with it, you know, when we say we support music, you know, and I just chatting, you know, my brother. We really have to put in the work, you know, you see what I say? So, and show the material evidence and make people know, say, yo, no gimmicks thing, no, they in it. So when I see people up on YouTube run their mouth, I just cloud thing. You know what I mean? We don't deal with clothing or action pack we deal with. So when you can join the party, if you don't want to be a part of the Unruly celebration of the Great Z album, you see what I say? I'm done making you know over I Am Coffee Tea channel that are going to take place. You see what I deal with? I don't know how when you buy the album already, you see what I say, you know, iTunes or Amazon, when you stream the album on Apple Music, and Spotify, you see what I say? No gimmicks business not there in it. That's what I deal with. No lollipop thing not dead about it. You know how we represent already Gaza way, there ain't no other way. The Unruly Boss say him can't wait for Vybz Kartel come on road. Him can't wait for see the general on road. You see what I say? Him tell the people them say that's a greatness start and that's why them have Great Z right now, which is right. No lollipop thing that they around it, no gimmicks thing that they around it. So big up the world boss anyway at all, you the rude boy in the day, yeah. So I deal with no gimmicks business not dead about it. Yeah, so I deal with finna stop expose greatness. Yeah, so I deal with and bring the youth them to the forefront so the youth them and them family and friend them can laugh and have a happy time. Yeah, so I say, meanwhile, during them career, so I say, and can live, say, well then, yo, them money are general, and them money bring it to the forefront. Yeah, so I deal with, yeah, how much of that you have? in Jamaica, what do you hear some people come up with some ridiculous argument? Not really some people. A DJ named Gage come up with some form of lyrics where him claim say all know him not say Vybz Kartel and Alkaline do a collaboration. And to be specific, the last time I checked, the world boss there in a prison, and Gage and Alkaline there road, and all know me not hear the two of them do a collaboration. You see what I say? So, me want to know if true the people them a complain for Afrobeat, I say Afrobeat gone past dancehall. Me want to know, say, no, if a Vybz Kartel and Alkaline collaboration it a go take for put back dancehall at the place which part on a claim say it now go on. Yo, a lollipop thing when they talk about, you know, my brother. You see me? I see Popcaan collaborate with crazy people out the road, you know, my brother. I see Popcaan collaborate with the African them and thing a shell way, you know. I see Skillebang collaborate with people out the road and the thing a shell way, you know. I see Massacre collaborate with people out the road, you know, and a gold thing selling, you know, my brother, over Germany, you know. When I try to remember that, you know. You know what I mean? So I don't know what kind of ridiculous thing on that one. Or what kind of gimmicks thing on talk about. You see what I say? I can't the world boss on chat about, my brother. The world boss now go collaborate with them people, my brother. You don't call the world boss name on a full mouth, my brother. Because there ain't no artist in a Jamaica where you can count with do collaboration like Vybz Kartel, my brother. None, not one. You can't call no artist in a dancehall will have the amount of collaboration with Vybz Kartel have. So if Vybz Kartel no want collaborate with the Alkaline, so what? Eh? What the fuck do you know? Eh? You forgot the man use all of Vybz Kartel tool them and bust in a bomber clot dancehall and want hold on upon the blood clot respect and ride with that and film career. You see what I say? Do you know way to that do film career if him did bomber clot acknowledge Vybz Kartel as who him is, my brother? You know what that to that do film career? So how now you run a blood clot come when him hold on upon the respect and it not do nothing for him. It not do nothing for him, you know, music wise, you know, than get him on a level. You see what I say? And right now he's not that type of artist no more. Him not have that type of demands there. Him only have a fan base who go on a life for him, my brother. That's all. You see what I say? Musically him not there right at that level right now. Yes, so I say, so I know you don't want Vybz Kartel for collaborate with them. Well, you never said that when him at Blood Clot 2016-17. You never said that when him at Like Fire. And now you don't want Vybz Kartel no need him, my brother. First thing Vybz Kartel now to run down dancehall music like that. I don't know if you don't see it, my brother. A world music Vybz Kartel I do and I do music for satisfy himself, my brother. I don't know if you don't see that. Vybz Kartel no short a bomber ass clot hit song. That's what I say them ask Joe Mercer, the Marley, who drop out what the year R.I.P. to the Marley family. That's what I say I'm French. That's what I say whole heap of condonants. Here we go on. Remember, you know, Joe Mercer, you know, take an interview, you know, with Anthony Miller, you know. Anthony Miller asks him, you know, as one of the Marley them who are cheer up the whole world, you know, and ask him, yo, which dancehall artist right now you would collaborate with and them thing there, you know. And the man say right now, the man they call Popcaan name and two more name, and the man say right now, Vybz Kartel, and the man ask him about Vybz Kartel, and the man say, yeah, I want to work with Vybz Kartel because Vybz Kartel is a lyrical genius. Him asked the man about Vybz Kartel and Alkaline. Joe Mercer said he would work with Vybz Kartel anytime because Vybz Kartel is a lyrical genius. But the other guy where I asked him about, which is Alkaline, the man said him not really want to make it so now we know, but how the guy there again you talk? Because Joe Mercer not know him. You hear me? I said the Marley not know him. Yes, what I deal with. If I think of gimmicks business, I can go over Anthony Miller and go type in the interview and pull it up and see and watch what Joe Mercer. Him don't know him, my brother. Him don't know him. Him is just a YouTube artist. Him not sparks all over the world, my brother. Yes, what I deal with. So I don't want to depend on a fool thing, because so now I come on to Gaza thing, I don't depend on no farmer gimmicks thing with you, you know. Remember, I don't say Gaza, you know, forget blood clot views and highlights, you know, him, brother. That's why I say no joking shit, not dead about it, you know. That's why I deal with. Remember, you know, all them people, you know, go like them want drag the boss name through more than all kind of shit and all kind of discrimination and disrespect, you know. But I go through the man and the man family and all them shit there, you know, on the internet, and now you not come and talk about collaborate because Gage says so. Who the fuck you think is Gage? That same boy that him talk about collaborate never asked Winford what is a fucking Gage. Yo, go suck on yourself. Here's what I say, Gaza for life. Big up the unruly boss, Popcaan, and big up Vybz Kartel and people. Remember we say, great is he. You see me? The album launch over now, and a time for the party over I Am Coffee Tea channel. This coming Thursday, the lollipop thing that they in it. You know Gaza uncle go there over there. Unruly Bruce. Brandon Music Review, The Lyrical Butcher, Full Reggae, I Am Coffee, 10 Star TV, East Zone, Unruly Tosh, and the list goes on, etc., etc. 10 Star, General, I represent. What? Wow.